Hey y'all, welcome back to Blackbird Bath. In this episode, we are doing a haul from Nature's Soap, a premium soap making supply company. If you're new here, hey, Blackbird Bath is a soap and soap company. On my channel, I do videos as far as making products, a little behind the scenes of what it takes to run a business. I wouldn't really say they're tutorials. It is more so, hey, this is what I'm doing, this is how I'm doing. Maybe you'll learn something. Maybe you can tell me something and I'll learn something. But anywho, again, this is a haul. This is what this video is. Package came in. This is what we're doing. If you're interested into seeing exactly what I got, stay tuned. So let's start with the free products, because free products are always great products. So, mind you, this is a cute little baggie. Noted. So this is a 5-gram bag of mica powder Proud Peacock. I don't know if this is giving the justice of this, honey, but this is super cute. I thank you so much. Oh, this is so cute. This is on camera. It looks really blue, but it's like a teal. I don't know. It's cute. Thank you. Who doesn't like free samples? That's why I give free samples in my orders too, because I like to get them. So why not give them? Well, some people don't use handmade soap. They use detergent. Thank you, Julie girl. That's cute. I like it. All right, let's get into what this haul entails. And mind you, this is my first order from this company. This is not a paid video. I'm not sponsored, but if you want to, yes, here we go. I'm here for it. But again, this is my first order. So I ordered a few things. One of them is, this is a fragrance oil. I'm covering up the name and not really saying much about it because this will be included in another series on my channel, which is Fragrance Fridays, where I do discuss the fragrances in my current lineup and any new fragrances that may be coming out. So stay tuned for the video of Fragrant Fridays and we'll get into this fragrance. So this is something else I bought. First one, let me just say, bomb smell. Okay, it smells great, but later video for this. Other items purchased was a sample pack of, let me make sure I got them all right here. 5, yeah, okay. So I ordered a sample pack of Brazilian clay. So this is pink Brazilian clay. Now, from what I read, I've never used Brazilian clay before, but from what I read, these are more so like colorants. They do add like glide to your soaps, but more so color. Can you see that? This is pink, but coming out of the jar, it really looks like... No, let me not do that because that's just gonna make a mess. Let's do this proper. It looks kind of brown. I mean, or beige, but whatevs, right? So I'm definitely gonna be testing and using these. That'll become another video. But these are really pretty. So I'm excited to see like how they perform. I'm gonna try it in like CP and MP soaps to see, you know, how they perform, what they give, what they don't give. This black looks, or yeah, this is black. But honestly, it looks kind of brown. So I'm wondering if is it gonna, like, once used, depending upon the base, is it gonna give black, brown, or gray? I would assume, like, if you use it in an MP base and it's white, it should probably be gray. I'm assuming. But in a CP or HP, probably not. I don't know. This is... Oh, I almost spilled the whole thing. This is purple. I have to smell everything. It doesn't smell like really anything. And then this is the red. And then all of them just say adds a silky glide and color in soap. But we're going to see. This red. Oh, that's so pretty. Gives me terracotta vibes. I'm here for it though. It's really pretty. So those are the clays. And I just say, side note, from this being samples, these little jars are super cute. Normally when you order samples of things, this is what you get. And this is not knocking them, because this is just any company in general. But you normally will get a bag of, you know, your 5 grams as stated. You know, 5 grams, but you would get a bag. I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little fancy when you get a little container like this with the same 5 grams in it. I don't know how cost efficient it is for the company or whatever. Let me be quiet. I'm just saying it's cute and I like it. So those are those clays. And then I also ordered a sample of Bath Bomb Lakes. I'm trying to look at the thing to make sure I'm saying it correctly. Bath Bomb Lakes. And this is a sample too. Again, come through with this. This is nice. I mean, this isn't bad if you do get the jars. And I have companies I've ordered from samples and they give the bags. It's not a bad thing, but this is a lot easier to store, in my personal opinion. But anyway, let's get into these Bath Bomb Lakes. Now, you do need to use Poly 8 with these. If not, you're going to have a blue tub or a yellow tub or pink tub, whatever. It's going to stain your tub, just FYI. So you do need Poly 8 with it. Now, this is FDC Blue number 1. Ooh, that is so pretty. Could you imagine some feather dust and it's this color? Now, granted, I already have a current, you know, Winter Whisper is blue, but Winter Whisper is like a light blue. This would look like ocean water in your tub. Ooh, set the mood. Yes, this is so pretty. Oh, so pretty. FDC Yellow number 6. Orange. Okay, Halloween Pumpkin Patch. Oh, this is so vibrant. Oh, it's so vibrant. Ooh. And you know, Halloween is a few months away, so you already know. FDC Red number 40. This color is everything. Like, if you ever read ingredients and like towards the end it shows you the colors that are used, this is what it reminds me. Now, mind you, this, I thought about hot Cheetos. But this is not for food. Just let me put that disclaimer out there. And it clearly states on here, safe for lips, eyes, external use, and bath bombs. So depending upon, you know, what you got going, this could be good for you. DC Red number 27. Okay. Oh, this is so vibrant. Oh, yes, ma'am. This is gorgeous. Excuse me. This is a very vibrant. This is red, baby, but this is pink. Fuchsia. Oh, I love this. This is so... Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. And last but not least of the Bath Bomb Lakes is FDC Yellow number 5. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. I'm sorry, that's what I thought about when I opened this container. Oh man, look how pretty this is. Y'all, I am so excited. Now, if you follow me on Instagram at blackbirdbath_, then you know I have been working on releasing more feather dust. Currently, there are 3 Winter Whisper, Flamingo, Frosting, and Oats and Honey. But I'm trying to expand because there has been a lot of comments about wanting other fragrances in my line to have the feather dust. So we have to try some new colors. And this is a new supplier for me. So I wanted to also, you know, give it a whirl to see what we have going on. And just off of packaging alone, packaging and shipping alone, I'm here for it. So stay tuned. We'll definitely post some videos of as I create those newer feather dust with other fragrances within my store. we'll make sure we have some videos and get that out to use these. Now, do keep in mind though, y'all, with these colors, you can always combine them. Like, this is just 5, and granted, they're 5-gram jars. However, all of these colors can be combined to make additional colors. Like, if you're familiar, you know, with the color wheel, you can combine these. And these little 5, you can sample to create so many other colors. Like, I don't know, but it has my creative juices flowing, and I'm super excited about using and trying all of these. Like, whoo! Awesome stuff, awesome stuff. Okay, let's keep this moving. Let's keep this moving. So, last but not least, Free Simple Clay's Bath Colors. I told you about the Fragrance Friday. Stay tuned. Now, this, I don't know how, I'm going to probably insert still pictures so you can really get the gust of this, right? So, this is a single soap cutter in my favorite color, which is purple. Now, do keep in mind, if you order a soap cutter from Nature's Soap, they have other colors. I believe I saw purple, pink, blue, purple, pink, blue. I want to say red. Don't quote me. Just know they have additional colors other than purple if purple isn't your thing. But purple is definitely my thing. Always has been. Always will be. So, anywho, with that, and they also have the single cutter, but they have multiple they have cutters that you can put your loaf in one wipe, and whoop, whoop, and it'll cut it. I may not be saying that right, which and whatever. Let's move forward. Now, I did do my research, and I looked at a lot of different cutters and what was, one, budget friendly, but also, you know, effective for what I was going to need it for. To me, this allows for more control of the sizes of my bars versus having several different cutters for, you know, cutting the loaves. This allows me to change the size of my bars. And all I have to do is just smooth this and the bar size changes. So this works for me. It may not work for all people, but granted, I'm really just diving deep into a CP. So, you know, this is a must. This is a must. Now, I'll make another video about other soap cutters because I do have other ones that I've tried and baby were fail. So I'll make another video on cutters alone, but this was a real investment. This cutter, I believe, ran about $154, $55. So it was a little on the expensive side, but it's gonna be here a while. Like, now they also sell replacement wires or cutting wires on their website. So, you know, I'll let you know how this works as I begin to use it. But I'm really excited about it. And I believe it's a very good investment. But guys, that's really it on this haul. Nature's Soap. Again, I'll list all of the details in the description box below. Definitely comment. Let me know your thoughts about any of these products that I've shown you, or products that you may be using, or suppliers you may be using. You know, let's definitely convey and, you know, share our knowledge with each other. Again, stay tuned for my Fragrance Friday videos where I go into details about fragrances currently in the store and upcoming. Also, I have other haul videos coming from different suppliers, and also stay tuned for the cutter supply video that's to come, and I'll go over some details about that. But if you've gotten this far, thank you so much. I do appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, again, at blackbirdbath_. I do thank you again for the support and checking out my channel. I hope you have an amazing day.